Not really blended though. I don't know why. This is my outfit. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day. Yeah, I be late yesterday because I did a little branch off. I went to Shagam to see a friend, and then decided to turn it into a road trip. And then a journey of 2 hours or 1 hour 30 minutes became a journey of 4 hours. But it was worth it anyway because it was fun. Yeah, basically that's it. Today is my friend's mom's birthday, so I'll be vlogging a little of that. Watch out for that, the cake and everything, and me. And we were supposed to do a bikini shoot today too, but we won't do it today because of our mom's birthday. So tomorrow we're going to the pool. We've called already, made an appointment. Tomorrow we're going to the pool, and then we'll have a shoot. If you're not on my Instagram, still follow me on my Instagram so you get to see the pictures and stuff. Anyways guys, yeah, this morning it's around 9:25 in the morning, so yeah, that's it mostly. But this is me. Again, this is me. I can't find my bonnet, I can't find my hairnet, I can't find anything. I'm just look, yeah. And then I'll do a haul later. I got makeup. I ordered makeup, me and her, so I'll do a haul later. It will be in the vlog, so guys, see you guys. This is the third day of my birthday celebration. Anyways, I told you guys before that my makeup was coming. Anyways, when my friend decided to get makeup, splurge a little, and I'm going to show you guys what I want to get. Just few things over, quick things. Anyways, first is this lash. I think this is mine. I think this is mine. Yeah, this set. Yeah, I'll write the name of the store what's in front description box, so watch out for that. Yeah, I've been trying to try contact lens, and I said let me get one first because I got fresh look. This is the part I got. Anyways, that's, yeah, I'll show you the type I got. Next is this mascara. Anyways, next is this classy. I need clear lip gloss. Classy, yeah. Then next is more lip gloss. I needed a liner, so decided to get a liner. Next, lash glue. I need them for my TikTok videos mostly, so that's why I decided to get most of this. This brown shimmer shadow, irregular. Oop. That's basically everything we got. Anyways, so tomorrow I'm going to the pool. I'll try and vlog that. You guys will watch. I'll test out my bikinis. My channel. Today is the third day or fourth day, right? Anyways, the fourth day, and we're going swimming today. It's my gown. I made it. It's part of the gift I got. Anyways, so yeah, this is the gown. My bikini is under. I just hold like my bikini pants. The shirt is over there. I'm going to wear that later. But for now, in case you see the room scattered, don't mind that. We're trying to renovate, trying to put LED lights, make the room TikTok inspired. Anyways, this is me. This is me. I'll take you guys to the pool. I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. Pool and whatever we're going to do. I'll put behind the scenes so you get. So take care, guys. Yeah, another nail of mine has popped out again. Anyways, later. Hello guys, this is me going to the pool. This is my hair. This is my dress already. This is Gladys. You see how she's looking? Anyways guys, you guys are going to follow us to the pool. So let's vlog, baby. Do a quick 360. Let's see your outfit, guys. I want that jacket too. I need to get a big one for my size. Wait first.
Amazing!
After that, so make create some TikTok videos with this. Which I'll get. So I do have half like trend.
Gotta unite the world. Which way?
This is a distress call from East Africa. Pasta nganga ni mganga na kunyanya ni vibaya, nikikufa je kuna fire, and we got really
yeah ho holla, this that why that 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 fuck me like you crazy, goddamn good, yeah. Don't play around with that fucking wild man.
Why you all like that? Why you tall like that? Why you all like that?
Hello guys. Anyways, today is a new day and today I am going back to Lagos. See I'll show you guys the cake she baked for me and the brownies. Anyways, I'm going to miss her so much. Anyways, thank you guys. I'll show you guys my trip back. My friend came to pick me, so this will be the end of my vlog, my birthday vlog. I think I have gotten everything I wanted for my birthday. And that includes, I'll insert a clip of my birthday cake. It will be around here. Anyway, thank you so much for everything you guys have done for my birthday. How you guys reach out to me. I know I've not posted in a very long time. But don't forget guys, I'll post soon. I made a video, the cluster video, but I couldn't post it based on some technical difficulties. But let's see what I can do about the video. If I can rectify it, it will go up soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you. See you all later and bye bye.